Wait, you seriously didn't come up with an intro? I don't know, man, I just didn't. Do you even care if people watch this? Dude, it doesn't have to be perfect every time. I don't even know why I'm asking your opinion, you're just a cat. Ugh, just roll the tape.
Pork Milanese explosion! I was gonna add an explosion here, but I didn't know how to do it.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is move your cat out of the way before you start cooking so you can in fact start cooking. After that, you're going to take 3 Granny Smith apples, you're going to peel them, slice them, and core them. So you're going to salt and pepper your pork chops and you're going to flatten them out using either a meat tenderizer or in my case a rolling pin or anything else you deem necessary for tenderizing meat. From there, you're going to take a cup of panko breadcrumbs, which you've lightly crushed, a half cup of fresh grated Parmesan, and you're just going to mix those together. And what the f is that happening in the background? Once you've got that all mixed up, you're going to beat 2 eggs to make an egg wash, and then you're going to dip your pork chop into the egg wash, then dip it into the panko breadcrumbs, and then you're going to do it again. These are going to be double dredged. Sit those aside and then yeet 3 tablespoons of butter into a saucepan. You're going to add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and you're going to just let that melt. While you're doing that, you're also going to get about 2.5 pounds of red potatoes and bring those to a boil. Once your butter's all melted, you're going to whisk your brown sugar and your butter together to make a nice little sauce. After that's all whisked up, you're going to add in your apples and you're going to stir to make sure they're all evenly coated. Once those are stirred up, you're going to add a quarter teaspoon to a half teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm using fresh grated here, as well as a whole teaspoon of cinnamon. Once again, mix those all together, and you're going to let that cook for 20 to 30 minutes until the apples are nice and softened and all their sugars are caramelized. Now once you're ready to start frying, you're going to get a vessel suitable for that, in my case a Dutch oven. You're going to add just enough oil to submerge about half of the pork chop. You're going to fry that on about medium heat for a couple minutes on each side until golden brown. Once those are done frying, you're going to stick those in an oven at 200 degrees to keep them nice and crispy and cooked all the way through and warm while you finish up everything else. Now that your potatoes are fork tender, you're going to add 8 ounces of good quality butter. I'm using Kerrygold here, and you're just going to smash the potatoes. You're not actually going to mash them, just give them a quick smash. This is the texture that we want for this dish. After you smash those potatoes, you're going to add a good handful of fresh chopped parsley. You're going to salt and pepper to taste, and you're just going to mix it up, and your potatoes are done and ready to eat. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Look at this cat. When your cat sleeps on the floor while you're cooking, you take him on with to pet him. I mean, look at him. He's so cute. After you pet your cat, you're going to go back to cooking. You're going to take some green beans that you've blanched and shocked in an ice bath, and you're going to saute them. I'd also like to take this moment for my flick it like a stir fry joke in my last video. Not that it was particularly offensive to anybody, it was just a really terrible joke, and I wish I hadn't put it in the video. After you got those heated, you're going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to the pan, just a splash, and toss those in it. Salt and pepper to taste. You're ready to plate up, and look at that plate. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked that video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. If you want to see more of my upcoming content, hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Twitch where I play games throughout the week and stream cooking tutorials every other Sunday. You can also join me this Thursday, October 8th for a very special meal that I'll be streaming for Flashpoint Simulation Online Flow Arts Festival. You can keep up to date with all that on Twitter and Discord. Links, as always, in the description below.